Hey guys, it's Heather. So with the school year approaching in the next month or so, I know some of you, probably your kids are already back in school. I'm in New Jersey, so we start after Labor Day. So with the school year approaching, I like to go through the clothes, so closets, drawers, the whole thing, and clean out what no longer fits them and kind of take inventory and see what they need for the school year. So today's video, I'm gonna be doing that. So I'm gonna start by making sure all the kids' clothes are put away first and then go through everything, pull out what doesn't fit, split it into piles. So donate or like pass down for hand-me-downs, stuff that I'm gonna be hanging onto and storing away. I like to store it in neat bins and label it. I'll show you how I do all that. And then also selling items that are gently used, like brand new. I have a bunch of stuff that my kids didn't wear, so I like to sell some of those items so then I can take that money and use it towards buying them new clothes in size that fits. So let's get started. So I just need to put all this laundry away. I think everything in here still fits him, but then I have this is all of his summer stuff. I keep it in this bin just because I only have this small dresser, and to fit everything in there was kind of challenging. So that's why I implemented the same type of system that I have in my daughter's room, which is this really nice cubicle storage. I got it off of Walmart. I think it's Better Homes and Gardens. And then the bins, I'll link everything down below, but it's perfect for the closet. So you can put toys in it, whatever you want. It's hidden nice in the bin. So I have some shoes, sheets, blankets, and then I have some diapers and swim diapers, stuff like that, clothes that he's growing into. And then of course, this is all of his summer stuff, like bathing suits. And then I keep all the clothes that he's growing out of. So I like to keep a couple of bins when they're really small, so that it makes it super easy to just take what doesn't fit, put it right in the bin. And then if you're gonna store it away, or if you're gonna be passing it down for hand-me-downs or selling it, whatever you're gonna be doing with it, it makes it nice and neat and organized. So this is what's really been working for me. And then in his closet, I just have it set up now by size. So 2T, toddler, 3T. When he was really little, I had newborn, 0 to 3, 6 to 9, and that whole thing. But as they get a little bit bigger, you don't really need to do that. So I have a bunch of clothes that we're gonna be moving into the fall here in the next month or so. This stuff doesn't fit him anymore, and it's so sad. It's so cute. This cute little outfit he only wore maybe once. So I'm gonna be going through all this stuff and kind of cleaning out what no longer fits him. So I'll split it up into piles. I feel like everything is in pretty good condition still at this age for the most part. There is some stuff that is really beat up because as they get older, obviously, and boys, they tend to beat things up. So those things I'll probably be setting aside, and then pretty much everything here is going to be passed down. So I'm just getting started by putting away all the laundry. I like to do this first before I get started going through the closet and decluttering. So this is most of the summer stuff, like I was saying before. So everything in here still fits him. There's even some stuff that's a little big. So I'm not gonna mess with this for now since we're still in the middle of summer. I hang on to a bin for each of my kids for all keepsake stuff that I was really attached to. It's just fun to kind of hang on to some stuff, but the rest of it I've been passing down for hand-me-downs since they have a lot of younger cousins, which is great. Another thing that I would suggest using is using the slimline hangers. These are space-saving hangers. They're velour, so this way the clothes don't slip off of them. You can fit double the amount in the closet. In the drawers, I like to keep all of items together. So onesies, t-shirts, pajamas, sweatpants, all jeans I keep in here. And it's just easier this way. I can see what they have. I can see what sizes they are, what they're growing out of. And then I also keep a drawer of clothes that they will be growing into. This has just really helped keep all of his clothes super organized. Now I'm just sorting all of the clothes that I pulled out that he's grown out of into 2 different bins. So I split everything up by 9 to 12 months and 12 months, and then 12 to 18 months. And I'm gonna tuck everything away and probably pass most of it down, like I said, to hand-me-downs. Some of this stuff is brand new with tags, and I will be listing to sell some of those items to make some money for new sizes. So we're moving on to my daughter's room. I keep a bin in her closet. It's been working for the past couple of years. She puts anything that doesn't fit her in that bin. And then probably twice a year, I go through the bin when it gets full and I go through everything. So I am separating everything by size. So here it's only, I think, like size 5 and maybe some of size 6. And I'm sorting anything that can be donated, anything that's in really good condition that I can sell for a couple extra dollars. I'm not sure if I mentioned it earlier. I think that I did, but I will link everything down below, like all of my favorite organizing pieces for my kids' rooms and furniture pieces that's really good if you lack storage space, like baskets, hooks, all of that. I'll link everything down below so you can check it out if you're looking to implement a system. So here's how I'm making out so far. That's everything that I'm gonna be listing to sell on Mercari probably. That's everything that is gonna be hand-me-downs or storing, and then that is everything I'm gonna be donating. So now this part I'm actually doing with my daughter. I'm asking her what no longer fits her, and we're just gonna go through everything one by one and set everything aside to sell, donate, or pass down, store away. You get the idea by now. And it just really helps doing it with her, because in this way she's honest to me and she tells me like what she won't wear. She gets a little funny about wearing certain things. That's kids. So I find that it's easier if you involve them in the process, so then they know to do this for themselves going forward. It's a lot less work for the parent if your kid knows how to do it and starts taking some responsibility and helping and doing it themselves. I just finished going through the closet. It's pretty bare bones now, but this will be good. So now I know what she needs as far as like picking stuff for the school year. And this way I don't overspend like I have in the past, and we know exactly, you know, what we need to buy when we go out to buy things. So I'm gonna put the empty bin back in the back of the closet. So then this way she grows out of things, she can just toss them into the bin. That's been working like the past couple of years. And she just said to me that she's so sad about some of the stuff because she just loves it. It just doesn't fit her anymore. So that's always hard because they grow out of things so quickly. So here's the final result. We cleared out everything that doesn't fit her so that we're good to go for the school year coming up. I hope you guys like this video. Definitely leave me a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. I do all different types of videos on like cleaning, organization, beauty, home, all different types of stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.